lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a wig review of the Jules by Noriko in the color Mulberry Brown. Let me go ahead and take this blazer off so it isn't like clashing or competing. I have a feeling that this color will look a little bit better up against my super duper pale skin. Anyway, this color is really beautiful and vibrant and dark, but at the same time, this isn't really a color spotlight, now is it? If you're interested in learning more about Mulberry Brown, make sure you check out our CysterWigs 2 channel where all of our color spotlights are housed. This wig is really tight on me. It just straight up is. I mean, most Noriko wigs are tight on me, but this one's really tight. It feels like it's gonna shoot right off my head. So I'm not gonna talk too much with the wig on. But before I take it off, let me do my 360 so you can see how luscious Jules is on all sides. Just bear in mind, this is true to average, may even fit a little bit smaller than that. I mean, the wig feels great. The hair feels really nice. It's got a kind of almost matte finish to it, so it isn't super duper shiny. And if you're concerned about the little bit of shine you see here, remember there's a lot of light going on right now. And if you wash this wig, that will help dull the shine considerably. This is a heavy wig. When I first pulled this out of the box, I was surprised actually by how heavy the wig was. It's about 5 ounces, which is substantial, and it feels like that on because it's got a lot of permatease up here on the top. That helps give it this sort of rounded shape. Most Noriko wigs, by the way, have that shape. It's part of the main characteristics of this particular line. So if you don't like a lot of volume on top, Noriko's probably not gonna be the brand for you. So let me go ahead and take this one off so I can show you the cap construction. Cap construction on Jules, as I mentioned, pretty basic in most regards. It's got this permatease on top, but she does have a lace front that is pre-cut and contoured. The wig does not stretch much, which is part of the reason why I'm struggling to wear her. But if you have an average cap size or even a little bit smaller than that, this one will fit beautifully on you. So that's actually most women. It's way more common to be smaller than average than it is to be larger than average, believe it or not. Then we have a beautiful open side and back, and we also have an extended felt nape, and adjusts a bit like a bra strap back here. We have closed felt on those ear tabs. Beautiful texture on this Jules wig. Effortless little cut. I wouldn't even say this is a curl, it just kind of flips and flares all over the place in various ways that help give it a little bit more volume past the shoulders than it does on top. It's the way that layering is cut and then the way that it sort of flips and flares in and out. Make sure that nape is in place. Get my ear tabs going. So I can show you this lace front. It's kind of a scratchy lace front, and it does go sort of straight across, but it is a nice feature on a wig that's got an open face like this one does. But see how this one kind of flares out, particularly if you play with her a little bit? Right out here, a little bit past the shoulders. This one will get you a beautiful bedhead look, if that's the sort of thing you're looking for. Beautiful, sort of sloppy chic, natural looking texture. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com, and this has been the Jules wig by Noriko in the color Mulberry Brown. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and we look forward to seeing you the next time we make a video. Bye-bye!